Victor Meirelles de Lima was born August 18, 1832, died February 22, 1903. He was a Brazilian painter and teacher who is best known for his works relating to his nation's culture and history. From humble origins, his talent was soon recognized. Being admitted as a student at the Imperial Academy of Fine Arts, he specialized in the genre of history painting, and upon winning the Academy's Foreign Travel Award, he spent several years training in Europe. There he painted his best-known work, Primeira Missa no Brasil. Meirelles' works belong to the Brazilian academic tradition, formed by an eclectic synthesis of neoclassical, romantic and realist references. But the painter also absorbed Baroque and Nazarene influences. After a period of relative obscurity, recent criticism has reinstated him as one of the forerunners of modern Brazilian painting and one of the main Brazilian painters of the 19th century. For many the greatest of all, being the author of some of the most celebrated visual recreations of Brazilian history, that remain alive in the country's culture and are endlessly reproduced in school textbooks and a variety of other media.